Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Capricorn. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. I'll be picking a few cards from this deck, guys, and few more cards from the other deck, and at last I'll give a angel message with which will help us and guide us in this issue, okay, in this situation, okay. So whatever it is, let's see what is coming up for you all, Capricorn. Okay, Three of Cups, Three of Pentacles, Ten of Wands. Capricorn, with these cards, I feel you have worked hard till now to achieve something, and whatever you have worked for is manifesting now. Your dreams are coming true. Maybe this is in your work, in your professional life, or in your personal life, in your relationship. Maybe you are with the person you want to be with, and you're extremely happy, content, and calm in this situation. You love the way life is going now, guys. That is the energy here, Capricorn. You are feeling glorious today. You are feeling really happy. So there are no crises whatsoever I see in these cards. A very positive set of cards, guys. Maybe some of you all may be meeting with friends, sharing your happiness, rejoicing in the joy of how things have turned out today. Maybe some new achievements, whatever has come up today, maybe you're sharing the good news. Clover, garden, just like I said, guys, some new opportunity has come. So you just need to analyze it and utilize it immediately, because it's not going to last long. Something very sudden, out of the blue, has come up, knocked your way, knocked your door. So you have to utilize it to make use of it immediately, guys. That is the energy here. And you may be meeting with friends, um, attending some kind of fundraisers, conferences, or family get-togethers, something of that sort, guys. And you are emotionally growing, and you're feeling that contentment and happiness in your heart. You are really what to say, increasing your passion, creativity, and the inspiration, okay. You're feeling really inspired. Maybe some of you all, you may be taking up some kind of creative activity also. Maybe you're starting something new in lines of creativity. Maybe you're opening an art gallery, something concerned with art. For some of you all, maybe this relationship, in your relationship, maybe this is a twin flame soulmate connection. You have a very good bonding and understanding, and things are manifesting as you wish it should. This person is the one you are meant to be with. That is the way you feel, Capricorn. So that is the energy for today, guys. For the angel card, guys, I'll be picking one card. Let's see what is coming up for the angel message. Trust the flow. Okay, Capricorn. So whatever happens, it is for the good. So things are going in a positive way. So it is all for the good, guys. So you just have to allow yourself to be happy and enjoy the moment enjoy the present day and what to say, and allow the happiness to broaden your heart. Okay, open your heart and accept the divine plan. So whatever is manifesting, whatever the universe has planned for you is unfolding at the right time and in the right way, Capricorn. So that is the energy for today, guys. Thanks for watching, Capricorn. Bye guys, I'll see you all tomorrow.